Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be looking at the new Toyota Tundra 4x4 Crewmax TRD Off-Road Premium. Now, this is a 5-passenger pickup truck in super white, and under the hood you find a 5.7-liter V8 driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features you'll find in this Tundra includes parking sensors in the front and rear bumper, proximity smart key system, and a backup camera. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button. Like I mentioned, this Tundra does have a proximity smart key system, so if you have your key fob in your pocket, we can press these two lines on the door handle to lock the vehicle. And to unlock, it's as easy as putting our hand inside the door handle. We're going to take a look in the front here first. You can see on the side here, you do have heated mirrors with this Tundra, as well as a blind spot monitoring system. If we take a look inside here, you'll find your power windows and locks, and we have a little bit of storage on the bottom of the door here. Taking a look next to the door, you have your power adjustable side mirrors as well as your different lighting options, and here you have a brand new feature on the 2020 models. We're going to put this Tundra in accessory mode, and with this feature you can open and close the rear window. Now taking a look back inside here, you can see this Tundra comes equipped with black leather seating. On the bottom, you have your power seating adjustment buttons, and if we take a look at the top here, you have your power moonroof. So to start this Tundra up, we're just going to push that brake in, and it is actually a push to start. So we're just going to push that engine start button behind the wheel there. As always, we're going to take a look at the steering wheel features first. On the left side, you have your audio controls, as well as your voice recognition system and your hands-free calling. Moving on to the right side, you have this cluster here, which allows you to cycle through your multi-information display. Down below, you'll also find your Toyota Safety Sense with dynamic radar cruise control and lane departure alert, with your cruise control speed settings right behind the steering wheel there. Moving on to our screen here, right now we are on the home screen. On the left side, it'll display any device that's connected, any audio that's playing. And on the right side, you have your navigation map. You can press any one of these. Of course, it is a touch screen, and that map will enlarge. If we go into audio, because you have your standard AM and FM options, you also have a choice between USB and a Bluetooth device. Now if we go to map, of course there is that navigation map. If we go into menu and we go into projection here, you can connect your phone through Apple CarPlay. If we go into reverse, of course there's that backup camera, and you get those guidelines as well. Moving down below that is our climate control system. Now it is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. To the left of that, you have your drivetrain selector, and if we move down below that, this is where you'll find your USB ports, driver and passenger heated seats, your 12-volt outlet, and you also have a park assist button in the center there. Inside the back here, you can see we have a little bit of storage on the bottom of the door, just like the driver's side. And of course, we are continuing with the all-leather mats and the black leather seating. A little inside here, behind the front passenger seat, you have a little storage compartment. And we can always fold the bottom half of the seats up. All we gotta do is just pull on this handle, and the seats click into place, allowing for more storage space in the back if you ever need so. To open up the back of this Tundra, it's as easy as just pulling on this handle right next to that backup camera, and that'll drop down for you nice and easy. And Tundra always provides plenty of cargo space, and you also get this nice black bed liner. Taking a last look at our Tundra, once again, some of those great interior features includes your navigation, driver and passenger heated seats, a power moonroof, along with a push to start system. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.